Want to launch a funnel that books calls on autopilot? GoHighLevel makes it easier than ever to connect funnels with calendars booking. First, build a simple landing page inside GoHighLevel with a strong headline and an opt-in form. This is where your leads start their journey. Next, drop in the built-in calendar widget. Instead of sending people to third-party tools, they can book straight from your funnel page. When someone books, GoHighLevel automatically adds them to your CRM. You can trigger email reminders, SMS confirmations, and even nurture sequences. This means your funnel doesn't just collect leads, it fills your calendar with ready-to-talk prospects, making your sales process smoother. And that's how you can launch a funnel with calendar booking using GoHighLevel, turning clicks into booked calls instantly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this. And good luck on your business journey.